it's Rue. Today I'm going to show you how to make a whiskey sour. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need to gather. Whiskey. I have here Irish whiskey, simple syrup, lemon, and for garnish, we are using maraschino cherry and a little cutie orange. To make this drink, grab these tools: ice, a shaker, a measuring cup, a rocks glass, a jigger, a pour spout, a cocktail pick, and a knife. First step, let's prepare our garnish. Cut this orange out into a wheel shape. Then we will use this cocktail pick to hold the cherry and orange. From here, set this garnish aside. Next, take this lemon and cut in half. Squeeze the lemon juice in the measuring cup. Now we are going to measure 1 ounce of lemon juice and pour it into the shaker. Pour half an ounce of simple syrup in the shaker. The last ingredient, whiskey. Let's use the same jigger to measure and pour. Now that all the liquids are in the shaker, we will add a little ice. We will take this lid here, close it, and give the drink a shake. Grab a rocks glass and fill ice to the top, like this. The last step is to pour the drink in the glass. And add garnish. There you go, a whiskey sour. Cheers. If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.